Now this is paper 2, question 2, and it's a pretty typical volume question in which you end up getting a couple of shapes put together and then you have to work out the overall volume. So sometimes you hear it as composite volume or compound volume. So you've got two shapes, you've got a wee cylinder and a cuboid. Okay, so remember a cuboid is just a prism. Okay, what we've got, you've got a formula sheet, so that's something that you don't have to go in and remember every formula. So this is your formula sheet. So let's work out the cylinder first. Okay, so the volume of the cylinder. So I'm just going to call it the volume of A. Okay, now that's pi r squared times the height. Now what you've got is you've got the diameter, it's 3, so the radius is half the diameter. So what you've got here is you go pi, and then it'll be times 1.5 squared, and the height is 4. So what we then do is you just put that in your calculator. Okay, not the best one. So you have, let's see, where's the pi button gone? Oh. Pi times 1.5 squared, and then times that by 4. Okay, so we've got 28.27. Okay, strange looking too, and it's cubic centimetres. Now we're then going to work out what the volume of B is. Okay, so the volume of B, we've got area times height. Okay, so what we've got there is the area is the area of the face, so that's 10 times 8. Okay, so that's the area, 10 times 8. And then we're going to times it by 4.5. So essentially we're just multiplying all the three numbers together. Okay, and what happens there is you put that in your calculator. 10 times 8, 10 times 4.5, that's 360. Then you just add these together, so that's 360 plus 28.27, and that's 388.27 cubic centimetres. Okay, now how you get your marks is you get 1 mark for substituting the values in the correct formula. Getting an answer is another mark. A mark for substituting the values in, and 4th mark for just tallying them all up together. Okay, but again, remember, have these and always look at them because it's a calculator paper, but they give you a lot of the formulas that you've been using anyway. Okay, and that's that question done.